Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off the dial pad tones on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel disturbed and annoyed because of the tones or the sound that always sounding every time you type the number on the dial pad, don't need to be worried guys because you can turn it off easily. And so yeah, to turn off the tone on your dial pad is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first I will show you. If you guys type number and there's a tone or sound, you can simply turn it off by go to the settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to sound and vibration menu, and then after that now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to additional settings, and then after that now you can turn off the dial pad tones so that every time you type the number on the dial pad, it will not sound you anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video is very easy, the tutorial, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.